Karibu. Bado tunaendelea. There was a lesson nimeweka ya about to change strings. Now tunaangalia tuning guitar like a lesson peke yake, because there are so many queries, so I'm trying to solve each problem at once. You can't learn a guitar kama tune iko mbaya, hapo utakuwa ume waste kila kitu. Now one thing about the guitar, there is always I want to go straight to the point. Always check your guitar the way the strings inalala hapa. Kama ziko juu sana, there is always a knob here. Kuna kashimo kanatokea hapa. Kuna Allen key na kujanga na guitar. You can twist it strings zipande, or you twist it zirudi, upata sio ngumu sana. Na still kama ukigusa hivi unasikia, unaona kama hivi unasikia kuna string moja inashika. There is always this Allen key. This Allen key here can always change that kupanda na kushuka hapa. So after that, now you just tune your guitar. Now let us assume merudisha hiyo nyuma. So nimetoa tune. Nasikia now you can't play something good, but inaweza kuwa iko tune, but that's not the standard one. Now what you do now, I want to show you the app I've been using for tuning. Ukienda kwa, let's go to Play Store, just in your Android phone. Kwa wenye wanatumia iPhone, I don't know kama Play Store iko, I don't know. So unaenda kwa Google Play Store, this one. Then you just Google guitar tuner. Unaona zinakuja so many of them, so many tuners. Now I want to show you the one I always using, because it has never disappointed me. All the videos I make, even TikTok, on YouTube, this is a tuner I use. Then ukishafika, this is the tuner yenye kuna kagita hapa inaitwa Guitar Tuner Pro. Unaigusa, that's how it will look like. I don't know whether the autofocus will get it. Yes, that's the guitar tuner. After that, you go and download it. You can see me, it's already downloaded, so mine is to just install, and mine is already downloaded. So ukirudi after downloading, utaipata kwa simu. It will be like this. Right, let me see. Unaona sasa iko guitar tuner app. You can see it. It's here, just over there. That's the guitar tuner. Then after that, you open it. When you open it like this, you open. Unaona kuna E, kuna A, kuna R, kuna hizo zote. From chini kupanda is string number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then now make sure it is on the standard mode. You see here, there is the mode here. You can see standard mode is on standard mode. You have to make sure it is on standard mode, and this microphone here should be working. Unaona ka microphone kako somewhere hapo. Kanafaa kuwa kana blink the way you can see it is blinking. Should be blinking so that it takes the sound. Now after that, after getting the app, now utafuta kitu ya kuwekelea. Now after getting the app, now you should be able to now the string. This one will make it fall. Okay. Now if it's like this, wakati on tune, it will have to get a green color when it is on tune. So if this is string number 1, ukitune it should come up to green. Now let's get here. Unaona iko nyuma kidogo. Unaona? So what you do, you tune mpaka ikuja kwa ako ka green. Sijui kama you can easily see it from here. Can you easily see? Let me just put it here. So bad. So if it's like this, unaona iko chini kidogo, so you add mpaka itakuja kwa green. Unaona imekaribia. Then now you see it, ukiguza the string imekuja kwa green. The same will apply to number 2. Number 2 si unaona bado iko chini. Can you see? So what you do, una add, ukiangalia kwa hiyo B, una add. Utaona tuka kimove. So always move. Unaona? Up to the B itself. It's tuned. Then you go to number 3, the same procedure. Unaona kama iko chini? You tune mpaka ikuje kwake. Number 3. Unaona inasonga. Oh, inapita, ikipita itakuni. Naona, it's okay. Now it's on the green. You go to D. You still add. Naona inakuja kwa green. I think you can see it from here. Then you kuja to A. A is number 5. Naona, make sure it is on its tune. Number 5. That's A. Naona iko mbele. Naona imekuja kwa green. Then you go to number 6, that is E. Naona ukigusa kama iko tune, itakuwa somewhere kando tu. Naona? Okay. Then now you naipeleka mpaka kwake. Mpaka ikuja to the green part. I think this is one of the best apps. Inakuonyesha tu if the string is okay, ita click to green. Naona 1, 2 green, 3 green, 4 green, 5 green, 6 green. So at that point your guitar is good to go. Now you can play it. Unaona? Any song itaingia sasa vizuri. Because that is a standard tune. Sometimes the tune may change, unasikia lakini iko sawa. That's why unaonanga kuna kitu inaitwa frequency. That's why unaona at the stage lazima mtune hizo guitar to the same frequency. Inaweza kuwa iko tuned but not the same frequency. So you tune them kama ni string ikuwa at the same frequency. But ukitune a standard na mimi ni tune a standard, ukuja kucheza it will just be the same. Ukitune manual lazima kama kuna kitu unacheza hapo ikuwe standard, ikuwe the same frequency if it is manual. But if it's up and you are using standard, anyone when anacheza huko na mimi nacheza hapa, it just be the same. Now you can try a certain solo. Let's see a solo moja. Tuongeze sauti kidogo. Toa sauti leo si mzuri vile. Tuone solo moja kama itakuwa imeingia. Sawa, even another one. Solo yenyewe inaweza kwa string zote. Good, well tuned. Just as easy as that. Download the app. Nimeonyesha inaitwa tu guitar tuner. The inside is like this and you are good to go. Utakuwa na tune guitar the same too. So thank you very much. Let's continue learning.